Let us solve this set math question. It is asking which one is greater, 2 power 250 or 5 power 100. Again, if we look at the exponents, we have 250 and 100 over here. Now the highest common divisor amongst these exponents is 50. I can write this as power 250 can be written as 5 multiplied by 50. Similarly, this 100, this exponent 100 can be written as 2 multiplied by 100. I can say that this is 2 power 5 into 50. This is 5 power 2 into 100. Sorry, 2 into 50, not 100. 2 into 50 is also 50. So now these both exponents are the same. I can compare these numbers. So 2 power 5, we know that is equal to 32, and 5 square is 25. Which one is greater? Of course, 32 is greater than 25. So it means that this number is greater than this number. The greater number is this one.